All right, we want to do practice test number 6. So I want to solve x squared is 4x minus 6. So how do I do that?
You can move 4x and 6 to the left, or move x squared to the right.
Okay.
So move it
Yeah, I
to
do
the left.
better. I think the same way you guys do better, which is move everything to the left side and make sure the coefficient on the x squared is positive, right?
Yeah.
So I think we could do subtract 4x, add 6 at the same time, right? So I get x squared minus 4x plus 6 equals 0. And then what?
And then factor or square or
Yeah, I've got some options, right? I could factor, I could quadratic formula, or I could complete the square. This one would actually be a good idea to try to complete the square, if you were so inclined.
yeah.
You guys want to try that to warm up, or
Yeah.
yeah. No? You want to try completing the square on this one?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's try it. So to complete the square, what do I do? Put the 6 back. Damn it. Okay, so I've got x squared minus 4x plus a blank is minus 6 plus blank. Okay, then what do I do?
And you divide by 2 to the second coefficient.
Okay, so I want to take this number, I want to put it someplace here after dividing by 2. Something like this, right? Okay, so when I divide negative 4 by 2, what do I get?
2.
Minus 2.
2 squared.
Okay, and then I need to fill in the blanks, right? Oh, and I should put my minus 6 plus a blank down. So to fill these guys in,
Square 2.
I square negative 2, and I get
4.
4. So 4 here, here, and here. Right? So what I'm left with is, and this is just a combine like terms. What a horrible acronym. That says combine like terms. I'm left with a x minus 2 squared is
Negative 2.
negative 2. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your next step?
Square root both sides.
Square out both sides. Then what?
You have x minus 2 equals plus or minus square root negative 2.
So on the test, do we have an option of which one we want to do, complete the square or factor?
Sure.
Okay.
Unless I specify a technique, you can pick whatever technique you want.
Okay.
You guys not?
So when we get to there, is that?
Are we not
no real
panicking
solution,
yet?
Or what?
No, well, yeah, 'cause it's a negative inside the,
Yeah, it's a negative inside the square. What the hell does that mean?
It's imaginary
it's
number.
an imaginary number.
Yeah, so what do I write?
You can
No real solutions.
calculator and you can
So once we get to there, we can just write that.
get the
Yeah.
approximation.
So on your key on the
Yeah, on the
test,
key, because I taught
it had
7.5 last time, it has
Okay.
some eyes.
so we can
Yeah,
just
you
put
can
no real
suppress
solution.
that. You can write no real solution. You guys cool with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you get a negative number under square root, you can write no real solutions. What are you asking? Why? We could have called that over here.
Oh, yeah.
This is a parabola pointed up, right? This is like the regular parabola. This is a line with slope 4 and intercept minus 6, right? So graphically what's going on is I've got my usual parabola like this, right? And then I've got my line that hits here and goes like this.
Oops.
And clean misses, right? So this is me asking, when does the parabola hit the line? And the answer is, it doesn't. You guys see that? So these do have a meaning, right? The no real solutions answer isn't like garbage. It actually means that something happens. It means you miss. It's cool. Did I tell you guys the real world application of this? You guys know the Star Wars Missile Defense Program? You know what this thing does? Shoots a laser, a line, at a ballistic missile, a parabola. You wonder if you hit it, right?
So what would
Cool.
X be in that situation?
Usually time. You guys cool with this? Okay, so the answer on that one is no real solutions, and that's fine.